Sa pagbabahagi ng kwento ng buhay ng housemate sa pamamagitan ng sayaw, si Mitch na naiilang sumayaw ang sumalang.
Laking katawan ni Mitch, yun. Diba yun? Macho dance.
Lalaki daw. Medyo happy naman ako, always naman happy ako. So, it will be easy. Tapos, my plan was talaga na i-freestyle ko lang. It should come from my heart na how I'm going to perform the story.
Excited. Pipilit na agad yung sasayaw ni Mitch, eh.
Tingin siya lagi sa reaction ni Ate Angela.
Oo nga.
Tingin ako sa sa wall para
Tanan nyo nga yan.
Alright.
tingin lang ako sa wall.
Yun ang inaabangan dito.
Go, Kuya Alfred.
Maya-maya lang,
Wait. Sige.
Nako, kuya, sorry.
Yan.
Sus, ito. Thank you. Hindi ako dancer, so I don't know yung talagang moves. So, nag-freestyle lang talaga ako. I think I did my best naman. Oo, I did my best naman. Nagets mo sa chinelas. Yung ito.
Ayaw airplane siguro.
Tapos, nandito ka na. Lumipad ka
Oo,
from
tapos,
Germany.
oo.
Pakwento na.
Fulfill
Wait,
your
happiest
story.
moment. The reason why I'm here in the Philippines since 2014 is because of my father wanted to retire. Tapos, syempre, it's a new country. I'm not used to this. New people, new culture. Why do I keep on looking at her?
Kaiser na lang.
That's why, ganun ako. Parang, handshake. New people, meeting new people. Tapos,
Explanation talaga lahat ng steps.
oo naman, syempre, English. Tapos, ito, meaning, this just happened, parang accidental. Kasi-
Unexpected.
Unexpected. Guys, basta. Pero nagjo-jokes ng parents ko dati na, sige, stay na mi dito. Pero parang ayaw ko talaga kasi gusto ko sa Germany. Tapos gusto ko mag-work doon. Kasi yung dream ko dati was becoming a zookeeper. Pero when they said talaga parang sure na sure, tapos they already packed everything. So parang na-shock lang ako. Pero happy ako kasi, di ba, like I said, new country, new people. Tapos, tapos na yun, I know how to speak Bisaya na. I know English, German, konting Tagalog na. So, I'm improving. And, ito ang happiest moment ko, my life.
Ayan. Galing mag-Tagalog ni Mitch.
Oo nga.
Maraming salamat, Mitch.
Thank you po, kuya.